How to automatically save photos from WhatsApp to your gallery. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily automatically save photos from your WhatsApp to gallery. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is just come over to WhatsApp and make sure you're logged into your account. So to be able to automatically save the photos, you need to enable these settings. So first just click on this three dot icon just like this and click on settings. And once you're inside here, just scroll down, and if you're using Android you just have to select this storage and data option, and if you're using iPhone you just have to click on chats. So since I'm using Android, I will click on this storage and data option and simply scroll down, and under this media auto download section, so as I prefer my medias to be downloaded automatically when I'm using Wi-Fi rather than data, so I will simply select this option over here, and I can also choose the specific files like documents, videos, photos, audios. So you can basically choose every single one of them as well and just click on OK. And so whenever anyone send you photos, videos or any files, it will automatically download it when you are connected on Wi-Fi. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.